Okay, buyers beware. New construction communities are popping up everywhere. Like literally, new construction communities are what is feeling the inventory crisis in the state of Florida. So we are very thankful to the new developments. However, buyers, the wonderful sales agents in that office is not working for you. They are working for the builder. Yes, they are going to be kind. They are going to be able to execute that contract. They will be able to tell you, when you are closing. However, any advice that you will need or anything to steer you for a better deal, they are not going to give it to you because their bottom line is for the builder. You are not saving $1. Like literally, the fee for a realtor is already factored into the base price of the home. So you're not saving anything for yourself. All you're doing is costing yourself money down the line. Because again, there are things that us realtors do, even in new construction communities, that are beneficial for you, because you have to remember, this isn't just a Snickers bar. You are walking in and you're signing a contract for $500,000 at least. Once interest and everything else is factored into it. So please don't do yourself a disjustice by going inside of any new community unrepresented, because that's what you are doing. You are going unrepresented and you are leaving yourself at the mercy of a sales consultant that works for the builder. You need a buyer's agent, an agent like myself or an agent of your choosing that is there for your best interest. Because again, there's two sides to this. There's the seller side and there's the buyer side. You are a buyer. So they are there for the sellers, the builders, the ones who hire them. Yes, again, they can get your contract started and everything, because that is a part of all of our jobs. However, if there's anything that can save you any type of money, or if there's an inspection that you need, half of them aren't even leaving that sales office. They're not even walking that home for you. When we, us realtors, when we work new construction communities, we're your buyer's agent as well as a property manager, because we are in there for that drywall inspections. We're in there for everything. We are looking for anything, because remember, human error is error. Okay, so yes, it's a brand new home and you would love to think it's brand new, there's nothing wrong with it. But baby, error's error, human error. That doesn't make them faulty. It just means that you need extra sets of eyes. And again, the only one that's going to have your back for real is a buyer's agent. So please don't do yourself a disjustice by going into any new community without representation. They love when you all come because they know their job is easy, because there's no one going back telling them when something isn't right. There's no one telling them when they need to change things. There's no one telling them when there's no one there to tell you when you're being taken advantage of. So when you say, oh, well, they gave me this, they gave me that, you have to see the whole bottom line and the whole picture. And that's what us realtors are there for. So don't do yourself that disjustice anymore. I feel bad when I know people and they close on a new construction community. I say, oh, Lordy. I just tell them congratulations, because at the end of the day, you have no idea. You went unrepresented. Like, no one even goes to court unrepresented. When you go to court, you at least get a public defender, somebody to defend you. Please don't make that major mistake by going to a new construction community saying it's a new home, everything's going to be perfect, or there's already a real estate agent there, I don't need my own agent. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. I feel bad when buyers do that, and I hear about them closing or they're already inside of a contract, because once you're in that contract, the builders will not let an agent come. I'm sorry, I know a lot of sales consultants for builders, and I love y'all. I work with you all. We partner together. But even you all know I'm coming in there for my buyers, and if something's not right, we are going to correct it. We are going to get some stipulations in there. But it's just, there's a lot to it. I don't want to say too much, because then you say you really don't need me. No. But please don't make that mistake. If you get with a realtor like myself, or find yourself a realtor, and make sure you have representation, because you need somebody on your side, because that sales consultant, they're nice and they are going to definitely be able to close on your home. That's what they're there for. However, they are employees of the builder. That shirt is going to say Lennar. That shirt is going to say D.R. Horton. That shirt is going to say Taylor Morrison. That shirt is going to say Richmond Homes. That shirt is telling you who they are representing, and it is not you, the buyer. I just want to put that out there because I see a lot of buyers making that mistake, especially when it's people I know. I honestly don't say anything because I don't want them to think I'm hating or I'm upset, because I'm not. I really be feeling bad. I'm like, dang, man, I could have really been there for you. But, you know, it just is what it is. You know, it is what it is. They're happy. So I'm like, hey, if you like it, I love it. I hope everything was really all right. Because you definitely signed like on $400,000 more onto a contract without being represented, without getting the proper inspections, without getting things that you needed done, or having an extra eyes or professional eyes looking at that contract for you, making sure that you didn't pay extra for upgrades that they told you were included. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of things that we do in the back that you all don't think we do, because y'all just see these nice videos, and I know I love videos, you know, so you see these nice videos and be like, you know, some real estate agents look all cute on the internet. That's not really my thing, but you feel like, oh, they just, you know, looking cute or just taking pictures and that's all they do. But nah, man, those real estate agents, we work hard, and y'all need us representing you. But yeah, that's it. All right, that's not even an event. That's just my please don't go unrepresented. Please don't do yourself that disjustice. This your girl, Jkelly Sells Real Estate. I'm on my way to pick up my beautiful son. I love that handsome little fella. And be blessed, everybody.